we say Kerr Park is your park, and it really is a space that can be modified and used for many different types of people for many different things.
Kerr Park is such a great place that people that live here should be proud of, not only just because of the effort it took to make this come to life today, but the fact that this downtown area has become so vibrant, that buildings are filling up, and that people really want to live and work downtown.
Kerr Park in downtown Oklahoma City is a jewel of a green space. It's situated right in the middle of the central business district. It's very close to Deep Deuce neighborhood. And just 2 years ago, in 2016, SandRidge Energy, one of the nearby businesses, spent a lot of money to rehab the park and made it beautiful. The grass, the landscaping, sidewalks, everything's brand new. And then unfortunately ran out of funding and time to be able to complete the vision, which was to have additional seating and things like that. So that's where Downtown Oklahoma City Partnership stepped in and wrote a grant to Southwest Airlines for their Heart of the Community program, which helps reactivate spaces just like this.
Southwest got involved with Kerr Park a couple of years ago when they applied for a grant through our Heart of the Community program, and they competed against 75 other applicants to be selected as one of 3 grants in the country that we decided to support.
Last August, we convened several meetings right here at the park and did some community engagement workshops. So people who live here, work here, really care about Oklahoma City and its future came to the workshops and gave us a lot of feedback about what they like to see in the park and the types of activities and just programming that they wanted to see here.
We have been working with our partners from downtown Oklahoma City to engage a number of stakeholders and people in the community into a process that we call placemaking. And today I was really pleased to hear so many of the city leaders talk about placemaking and creating a place, but that is what our practice of public space planning and design is about.
Everybody said that they wanted to see shade and seating, so we were definitely able to accomplish that. And my favorite part of Kerr Park today is all of the public art that we've been able to infuse into those necessary amenities. So we built a pavilion for shade, but we were also able to make it an incredible piece of art. And we put a ping pong table out for guests to use, but it's also going to have a great mural on it. So I think that that's my favorite part of the project.
I think we just wanted to create a piece that was a little more thought-provoking, kind of would make the space a little more inviting, something that would be vibrant, and just the nature of our artwork, it's very up to the viewer to kind of take that on, perceive whatever they perceive, and so it's very easily digestible from people of all ages. So we really wanted to bring that to Kerr Park just to kind of enhance the whole experience of Kerr Park and to make it something that the community could be proud of.
The location of the piece definitely turned it into what it is. I mean, all of our pieces are kind of influenced by where we're doing them, and this is definitely a funner piece of ours, and it's definitely because of the location that it's in.
This project wouldn't have been possible without the help from SandRidge Energy, the Project for Public Spaces, and of course Southwest Airlines. They gave almost $200,000 to the park, and Downtown Oklahoma City Partnership put in an additional $45,000. So it was just an amount of money that we could really take and do something special with. And we plan to do a lot of additional programming, special events here, and keep updating and adding new amenities as time goes on.
We know that our employees live and work every city that we fly to, so it's really about making this a great hometown for our employees and supporting places where they live and work and making them proud to work for a company that's willing to give back to the community.
I think the thing to remember about Kerr Park is that it is an evolving place, and it's going to change and evolve as the people who live and work downtown change and evolve. So leave it room to grow, come here often and enjoy.